Welcome, lovely ones. This is Binti Abid. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May we all have blessed nights and happening days, inshallah. Ameen Sumameen. Today, I want to say this is life, lovely ones, and sometimes we may feel tired. It's not a strange thing, it's natural. So, at that time, what would we have to do? We just take some rest and try again because it's a sign of determination. And let's talk about last night. I asked you guys, do you think about classic philosophical questions like which do you think came first, the chicken or the egg? So you may have your answer, or you may not, because it's still a philosophical question for many of us, like me, because there is a backstory for this thing. I used to wondered about it too, but it happened that a few days back I got to know while I was scrolling on FB. There I saw that this post and I got to know about this fact. So, what does it say? Let's read. Do you know? Did you know? Scientists concluded that the chicken came first, not the egg, because the protein which makes eggshells is only produced by eggs. So, when I read this fact, so I felt amazed because it made me wonder for two things. Two thoughts pop up in my mind, and first of all, the thought that came to my mind, it's just we already know it. हमें तो मालूम है since the very beginning of the creation of this universe that our creator, our God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah Almighty had made this universe, and all the living beings have been created in pairs, and then came their young ones. So the creation of Adam and Eve, we know very well. बट वो कहते हैं ना कि आंखों के सामने होता है और इंसान जो है वो देख नहीं पाता. तो मोस्टली इट हैपन्स. सॉल्यूशन बिल्कुल जो है वो सिंपल हो. पैराडॉक्सिकली वट हैपन, वी जस्ट नेवर टेक इट ईजी. हम जो है वो बहुत उसको कॉम्प्लेक्स तरीके से देखने लग जाते हैं. आई वॉन्ट टू शेयर लाइक मतलब जोक सा है. कहते हैं कि भाई पूछते हैं, सवाल होता है, हाउ कैन वी पुट an elephant in the refrigerator in 3 steps. सब सोचने लगे भाई elephant को कैसे रखें. There was a child, he instantly answered, we just have to open the door and then we put elephant inside and we then close the door. And here we have put elephant in the refrigerator just in 3 steps. So see, it's simple. अब सब सोच रहे हैं. Once again the question was asked, ये तो हो गया. How can we put a giraffe in the refrigerator in 4 steps? Now, all those people start thinking about possibilities कि ये कैसे हो सकता है, ये कैसे हो सकता है. The child again answered that simply we just open the door, we have to put out the elephant and then we have to put the giraffe inside and simply close the door. And here we have a giraffe in the refrigerator just simply in 4 steps. So, what happened? Mostly it takes time to see the simple possible solution. But what can we do? We call it life. So, life is it. The second thing which came to my mind is from a literature or literary perspective or philosophical point of view से अगर देख लें तो इट्स अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ कैजुअलिटी डिलेमा. कि जब हम कॉज एंड इफेक्ट देखते हैं कि पहले ये हुआ होगा या ये हुआ होगा, एट दैट टाइम जो है वो हम उसको कहते हैं चिकन और एग पैराडॉक्स, कि कौन पहले आया होगा. तो ऑब्वियसली नाउ वी नो दैट इट हैज़ बीन रिजॉल्व कि विदाउट चिकन एग पॉसिबल नहीं है, एग का शेल प्रोटीन नहीं बनता. तो जो है क्या कहते हैं, इट कैरेक्टराइजेज सिचुएशंस बहुत सारी अभी भी लोग कहते हैं, इवन मुझे भी नहीं मालूम था, आई टोल्ड यू गाइस। तो इवन ग्रीक रोमन फिलोसोफर जो थे, हिस्टोरियन प्लूटॉक, तो कुडंट एग्जैक्टली आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन, उन्होंने सॉल्यूशन नहीं दे सके थे। बट नाउ हमारे पास ये तो आंसर है कि अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला ने इसका क्रिएट किया। तो ऑल पीपल हु हैव बिलीव्ड इन ऑल होली बुक्स एंड प्रॉफिट्स ऑफ देयर इरा, तो उनको तो है। बट क्या नाउ वी हैव अ सॉलिड proved evidence answered for this question. It is not an unanswered hypothetical question. How did it possible? How can it possible? Simply because scientists, human beings didn't give up on this question. They were continuously thinking about it, working on it, and now at last we have the answer for this philosophical query. So lovely ones, we may take breaks for our lives, these philosophies, dilemmas, conflicts, but we have to do just one thing. Take some break, कुछ भी कर लीजिए, थोड़े टाइम के लिए पॉज ले लीजिए, but just never ever give up. And with this message I would take my leave. But first of all, I'm sorry मैंने last 2 videos में thanks नहीं बोला. Thanks for watching, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया देखने का, और जो है अपना इतना कीमती वक्त जो है वो मेरी वीडियो पर सर्व करने का. I'm obliged and I'm indebted. Thank you so much. खुश रहिए अपनों के साथ, अपने प्यारों के साथ, उनका बहुत सा ख्याल रखिए, अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिए, दुआ में याद रखिए. फ़ी अमान अल्लाह. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.